Welcome back to Raising Geniuses, and today we'll be discussing some very, very important matters. Most parents have been reaching out to us, and what they've been saying is this: yes, we hear you. Tech is here to stay. We hear you, there is AI. We hear you, there is a lot of things like blockchain. There's a lot of things that we hear from the people you bring to speak here. But first of all, I don't understand what this technology is. Number two, how will my child, after gaining these skills, be plugged into the society? Doctors work in hospitals. Teachers go to teach in schools. But when my child has a coding skill, where will they get the opportunities? So today, our guest is none other than Irene from Powerland Project. So, Irene, karibu sana.
Asante.
Yes.
Asante
So,
sana.
introduce yourself. Tell us who is Irene. Tell us who is PLP.
Okay. My name is Irene Mwangi, and I head the talent hub at Powerland Project. And what we can start from what Powerland Project is all about.
Yeah.
Powerland Project is an impact organization that is out there to skill young people across Africa. And our mandate is to have 1 million software engineers across Africa.
1 million.
Yes. So, yes, we are aiming at 1 million, I know, and we are going there. We are not giving up. And one of the things that we have realized is also this skilling also requires employability and innovations. So the real impact happens when this person gets an opportunity out of the skill they achieved.
Yes.
Or out of the skill that they get.
Yeah.
So that is also what we are looking at, placing these people, getting them opportunities.
Yes.
And also they are really brilliant minds that we have seen.
Okay.
They have ideas that come out of that. So we have a 16 weeks program that we run.
Yeah.
And we train young people to have digital skills. That is
When you say young people, what is the main age group?
So our main age group is 18 all the way to 34. That is the youth. That's the youth.
By government.
By government standard.
What if I'm 40? Am I welcome?
You are welcome to, because
So Mzazi, if you are 40 years old, welcome to PLP.
yes, welcome, because we are training people from the basics.
Yeah.
I do not understand the tech, as you say.
Yeah.
So I want to understand first.
Yes.
So it is, I no longer want to be a consumer, but now understand the backend. What is the backend?
Yes.
So how was the famous is Instagram, TikTok?
Yeah.
How are these platforms built?
Yeah.
So even when, as a parent, I'm giving that to a child, I understand I just see what they are consuming, but I don't know how it was developed.
Yeah.
So the 16 weeks program ran,
Yeah.
and majorly is training software engineers.
Okay.
And after the 16 weeks, we are able now to graduate them.
Okay.
Then they are transitioned now to the talent hub, where we are able to just assess their skills.
Yeah.
And also we gauge your interest.
Okay.
Do you want to go to employment, or do you want to go to entrepreneurship? Because in this era, people are more independent, and there's that vast of entrepreneurship and independence.
Yes. You want to build products, businesses around this technology.
Yes.
Okay.
And that is where I come in.
Okay.
So once they're transitioned, I know now when you're going to employment, we make you employment ready.
Yeah.
So it's more upskilling now.
Yes.
Because we also require more than the tech skills, the soft skills. How do you communicate with other people in the workplace?
Yeah.
Where do you get even these jobs? How do you navigate?
Okay.
How do you use your skills?
Yeah.
So we also train them on that, upskilling.
Okay.
And those who are going to entrepreneurship, they are boot camps.
Okay.
So I have this brilliant idea in Imutab, but is it an idea? We call balcony ideas. So how do we remove it from my balcony to their outside? Yeah. So it is from the ideation to the market.
So actually, this is where you specialize in.
Yes.
Okay.
So both the employment and the ventures.
Okay.
Yes.
Good. Let's go back to the program. I've come, I want to join PLP. You call it PLP, right?
Yes,
Powerland Project.
Yes, it's PLP.
yes.
Yes.
So I want to join PLP,
Yeah.
and this is a 16-month program. How much am I paying?
You're not paying. It's 16 weeks.
Yeah.
And you're not paying
It's
anything.
free.
It's free.
Free. You can hear that, parents. PLP offers a free training on technical skills or technology skills.
Yes.
She'll tell us more about the courses that are offered. So you have no reason to say that there is no school or there is nowhere you can take yourself or your child to upskill themselves. Even if you're in college and you're doing, she said, other things, it's good that you join PLP. Let's go on. When it comes to free cost 16-month program, do you have an overwhelming number of people coming, or we still have, you face challenges people enrolling?
It being across Africa, and the aim of us reaching 1 million is also at scale.
Yes.
So we have our learning management system that is online. So we are able to deliver the course online.
Yes.
So wherever you are, you are getting one uniform training.
Yes.
So, and then we have segmented it into cohorts.
Yes.
So in a year, we have 2 cohorts.
Yeah.
And our target is, like this year, the main target was to make sure that 30,000 people are skilled.
30,000.
Yes.
That's great.
And the beauty of it is that we have so many people applying.
Yeah.
Right now, we had over 20,000, the cohort that we just joined in June.
20,000.
Yes, and applying.
Yeah.
And people, even after closing, they're still asking.
Yes.
How can we? So we have to create another link for next year now.
Yeah.
And the enrollment, there's a process that you go through. Because this is free and it is for. We are saying we want to meet that person. We know the technology course is very exciting. That person who want to understand tech, they don't have the money or is
and you just need it for the sake of adding it to the CV.
Someone who is in need of that. You showed your interest. So basic understanding of computer literacy. I think we did packages and everything. So basic understanding, the interest is also, and also you must have a gadget and access to internet for now. But I know people what about those people who don't have?
Yes.
We have also done partnership with institutions, universities, so that they can we can utilize their hubs.
Okay.
Other institutions who have hubs and computers, so that people within the location can come
places, because the hardware infrastructure is there. I just need to connect and
so allowing people even outside just the community also to go just plug in. Because there's someone really who I am in need, but I don't even have a gadget.
I really this is like one of the angels sent to help, especially these people who are not able to pay expensive. And initially we had discussed out the colleges that offer technological courses. The range is about 200,000 for a 6-month program. So many people will not afford that. Now here comes PLP with a pre-program, and they want to offer it to people. And the standards are just basic. You have to have interest and basic digital literacy or computer literacy skills. And you said about 20,000 people are applying across Africa. What are the challenges you've seen with this? We are still on enrollment. You have an issue of understanding, or like people feeling it's not worth it or something, yet it's free, it's very easy to plug in. Do you have a challenge?
So enrollment for us, being a free course, it's not
a challenge.
It's not a challenge because we are getting bigger numbers.
More than.
Like now we only would take 15,000.
Okay.
So there are people still being let out.
5,000.
Yes. Okay. And also we also see we take big numbers because of retention. Every course has retention. Yes. So and so we are able to at least have a good
how many
number
go to the end now that you had 15,000?
So now they are still interested, but now let's focus. Last year we were able to graduate at least 7,000.
Wow.
out of the whole year. So for whole year we enrolled 15,000. So 7,000 at least.
Yes.
Within the cohorts.
Yes.
They were able to graduate.
Okay.
So you can see, but those are the people who graduate with complete projects.
Yes.
But there are people who also go through the whole course,
yes,
understand,
yeah,
but they don't submit. For you to graduate, you have to do a project that we look at and see now. Yes.
yeah,
If you have an issue, we take you back, go do some correction, and then you are able to graduate.
okay,
So there are still people who go through the program. They do up to the end because we are able to track them through our learning management system. So those are also people, not that the people who didn't graduate, they have now the skill. Yes. And that is the most essential, yes, because we are getting you from no code to code base.
yes,
Understanding technology, and if you are aiming to understand your startup,
yes,
you have these SME,
yeah,
you need to digitize it or automate it.
Yeah.
So, but they are trying to hire developers. They are just telling you the code is not working,
yeah,
and you need to understand
yeah,
what is this actually they are building. Yeah? You are being told a website will be developed with,
yeah,
I don't know, 500,000, and there you need to understand website. What is it?
okay,
So there's also that basic understanding,
Yeah.
and we have now been able even to mine your interest when you are getting in.
okay,
So what is your interest?
yeah,
Employment?
yeah,
Do you want just to understand the
Yeah.
code?
yeah,
Do you just want to build
yeah,
a solution action? So from that, we're able to train you with the mind and what you are aiming at.
So
Yes.
you have a success story in our organization. There's one lady who has done PLP. I asked,
Ah,
oh, this is PLP on the CV. Oh, nice. This is good. And they are really skilled. They have the skill. So I think you do a good job. Let's go to the big question. Why? Why do you pick students for free? Train 10,000, 7,000. You want to train up to 1 million? And why? Why? Why is the big why?
so the big why. So our founder, in the heart of COVID, had friends who had businesses, and these are businesses that, with technology, have become e-commerce. You can order online, you can order. But by then, technology was not our first right. We were not digital savvy, and people really closed businesses because of COVID. And as we were doing also research, people required, there are companies in tech, the big ones that required software engineers. But there was no a place in Africa or in Kenya, actually let's start in Kenya, that you would go by then and say, I need 100 developers. Can I get them? So you'd have to look and poach from other institutions, and they were very expensive. Just developing a website, I think people who develop websites in the 20s, they usually have a pain point because
talent was not available.
it was not available.
And if it's available, they are already taken.
Yes, and it was very expensive. And the Indian guys, talent, we were importing talent.
From India.
Yes.
Yes.
And there was a real need in Africa for tech talent because it was not there. So even when we were starting the programs of other organizations were starting startups in technology, but we had a pinpoint of where are we getting talent? Where people, there's no talent. And you have talent today in tech, we have a software engineer, tomorrow he goes to another company that pays well. So there was a gap, and that is what we saw. That was the need.
Wow.
And thanks to our donor, he said, I want to give back to community. I want 1 million software engineers in Africa. So it is us to figure out
Now,
how.
the why is there, tricky.
Yes.
So, what do we want to achieve? Let's say now we have, the numbers are clear. We get 1 million software developers. We have a big billboard. We did it. So, what is the outcome? What is the outcome we're looking to get?
For me, impact, or for us, impact now is when we have decent earnings out of the skills that you acquired at PLP. So either you are in a job and you are able, for instance, you have an accountant
Yes.
and understands more tech.
Yeah.
So they're able to even automate
Yeah.
and also onboarding process of technology within your company. It is, the uptick is higher.
Yeah.
People in an organization that understand technology,
Yeah.
it is even easier to automate
Yeah.
your processes
Yes.
other than doing it manually. You're saving time. You are able to track your inventories. You're able to track your invoices. So it is also helping organizations. Even if you are still employed, it's still also helping those organizations. For the people that are not employed, people coming out of school, they don't know where to.
No direction.
You know, for us, we came out of school and you are like, go do the packaging.
Yeah.
It will
Wait for before you all
Yes,
run it.
yes, yes.
Yeah.
And we are aiming this to be that,
Yeah.
for people to have digital knowledge.
So the idea is, and the whole, the idea is, let's get up from school.
Yes.
From 4.
Yes.
Now they call it grade 12.
Oh, yes.
Then now you come to this upskilling technology.
Yes.
Instead of doing computer packages, which I'm sure now everyone knows how to use them. Now we move them to this skilling, so that whatever career path they choose, are you a doctor? You have some technical skills.
Yes.
Okay.
And now with the kids, when it comes to kids, they are already tech savvy. They are already consumers of technology by the age of, they are born being put in front of TVs. So by the time that kid is 3 years, he's scrolling all over your phone, knows everything. But that is how they show interest.
Okay.
So schools, they are already doing homework with computers.
Yes.
Yeah. So that kid already understand word.
Even with the Limu tabs, most of them are how you use Limu tabs in that.
So they are using technology already. So that kid is already in technology.
Yeah.
By the time you are getting out of grade 12,
Yeah.
you are a consumer. How can we make you a builder?
Yeah.
How can we make you understand the back end of it? So that is something, and it is opening up. In COVID was in 2019.
Yes,
2020. 2019, 2020.
Yeah.
You see how technology shifts?
Yeah.
We were not this big in technology. People are not automated. People are not, actually, automation is just coming in right now because of the AI. So there was that building of website, e-commerce, and somewhere we can be able to access more information.
Yeah.
By now, AI is the thing. We are already with AI agent.
Yes.
Agent that can book everything.
You just give one simple instruction.
Simple instruction, and they are doing everything for you.
Yeah.
In the next 2 years, what is going to be there? Even in blockchain, like Web3.
Yeah.
So technology is moving very fast.
Yes.
And we are becoming we are tech savvy even. So it's also making sure that at a young age, people also understand and they're able to use the technology.
Okay, we'll come back to that. Can you talk about this listener, or the one who's watching, who is a young person? They don't understand the why. Yes, we have a PLP here. They have a very interesting free program. I just need to apply and pass the easy technical skill sets that I need to have. But I want to be a doctor. I want to be an engineer. Why? What is happening in the future? What is that you guys are seeing that you've gone to and had a big vision to make sure you prevent the outcome? What is that? What is happening in the future?
Yeah. So we are seeing a building, right? Before we were saying we are building for the future, but the future is already we are AI. We thought it would not come right now.
Yes.
So it is that person to be able to understand, because everything is going the technology way.
Yes.
If everything is going the automation way,
Yeah.
even in organization, regardless of even manufacturing, there is somewhere they need the tech. Even this, everything is going to technology actually.
Yeah.
So it is you understanding.
Yeah.
If this system comes, this system is easy. It's like someone I don't know how to, I don't code,
Yeah.
but I have a software engineer.
Yeah.
AI is there, it's automating actually.
Yes.
It can build for you a website right
Yes.
now,
Yes.
but I can go to ChatGPT or any open AI
Yeah.
and build a website.
Yeah.
But I don't have the basic understanding of the coding,
Yes.
basic understanding of the interaction and the language of that.
Yeah.
And you have.
Yeah.
So if an issue comes,
Yeah.
even the bugs
Yeah.
are there.
Yeah.
They call them the bugs dancing on it.
Look out where they are called bugs. Yeah.
How do you? I can't debug
Yeah.
because I will be like, my website is not working.
Yeah.
But you with that skill, you are able to this is small thing I can be.
So you add that even if they're looking for employment now,
Yes.
the jobs they will be getting, if they don't have the technical skills, these technology skills, they will be obsolete. Themselves will be obsolete because when you go to any job now, it has some automation to it. What about this parent who is wondering, now I'm a parent. It looks complex. This is very complex language. Why? Like, why don't we just do the basic things you're used to? For the parent, like just for them to understand, how do I support, like why should I support and even why? Some don't clearly understand.
You see, I think it's the generation we were brought in. For us, you wake up, you go pray.
Yeah.
Uji, you are being called to take Uji when you are
Yeah.
going to pray with
Yeah.
But right now,
Yeah.
the kid is waking up,
Yeah.
and the first thing they take is
Use a device.
so.
Yeah.
Even you're telling them get out.
Yeah.
For us, the problem was you're being punished to come back.
Go back home.
Yes.
And you'll come at late at night.
We didn't have.
Yes.
Some had TVs, but
Yeah.
we didn't have. It was
Yeah.
black and white.
Yeah.
So technology was not our first choice.
Yes.
By then.
Yeah.
And when you go to school,
Yeah.
our parents were like, we soma ukwe, mwalimu,
Yeah.
kwa daktari,
Yes. Pilots.
pilot.
Yeah.
Eh?
Yeah.
In the village, we were those things.
Yes.
Accounting
Yes.
was there.
Yeah.
But right now, kids are on TikTok. They already see
Yes.
what other people what
What
the
is
world.
the world. So the world is on their laps.
Yes, the world is there, and it is unfiltered actually in some. That's why we have the parent control.
Yeah.
As we knew the village,
Yes.
we knew only the village. They know the world.
Yeah.
So what is happening? They have the privilege of understanding what is happening in the world.
Okay.
And as a parent, we are also being forced now
Yeah.
to make sure that we go there
Okay.
to know the world with them,
Yeah.
because they are very fast.
Yes.
You are being told something and you are like, what is that?
Yeah.
So you also need to
Exactly.
catch up. You need to catch up.
Yeah.
And because it is their future now,
Yeah.
we are going to support them.
Yeah.
And that's how we come.
Yeah.
Now that's where I didn't have, because this kid already has the interest.
Yes.
How do you make sure that they are not consuming, they are now interacting with that? They start with the IoT.
Yeah.
And how do they understand why do we have street lights?
Yeah.
Yeah, they know already this is green, red,
Yeah.
but how?
Yeah.
did
So they
how-
go to understand how the functional
Yes.
system, how does it work?
Yeah.
Okay.
And they are very curious.
Yeah.
The bit of it is kids are very curious. You have a car, they are.
Yeah.
You bought today, tomorrow it
Yeah.
is in.
Yeah, they were checking this light. Where does it?
Where does it
Yeah.
take that kid to a space where they can interact with
Yeah.
real, and they can be able to understand this is how
Yeah.
it functions.
It functions.
You're already installing even in that kid's mind that wow. So this is what works behind.
Yeah.
So they are already curious. So
Mm.
make sure that even it's more of support.
Yeah.
I know some things we don't understand, and that is where also we have forums where now attend the technology forums to just understand.
Do you have something for parents? I'm a parent. I will not come and register PLP, but I want to understand what is this education tech thing? We get a lot from parents. We go to train kids with technology and they say, do you have something for parents? For me, I just want to Me, I've had AI.
Yeah.
I've never heard of it. Do you have anything for parents?
So actually, we don't have for parents, but we have a program called AI Safari.
Okay.
So for the AI Safari is basically understanding more because we're in the era of AI.
Yeah.
Understanding from nasikia hii chat GTP. What is that? Gemini.
Yeah.
They are also interacting with it at work.
Okay.
Even the parents.
Yeah.
Let's say if you're interacting with it.
Yeah.
But it's just the basic concept.
Yeah.
How do these? There are so many automation tools that are there in the market.
Yeah.
What are they?
Okay.
How do I interact with them?
To all this.
Yes.
Okay.
How do I interact with them?
Yeah.
You may not even need to understand how to code them in, but it is more even understanding what are they,
Yeah.
how do I interact with them? What can help me today?
Yeah.
Let's say, okay, even Canva is a automation tool. How can I be able to use it better?
Yeah.
Before, you were to use PPT.
Yeah.
I don't remember when the last time I used that. I'm on Canva.
Canva, yes.
But
All next designs ready.
yes.
AI for that.
You see?
Yeah.
But you can be able to use also, you can go to ChatGPT and be able to have
a prompt.
Yes.
Give you exactly.
So how do you interact? Everything.
Okay. So parents, I'm sorry, there is no program for you, but you can engage in other things. So let's go back to PLP.
Yes.
Just give us a breakdown of the courses and the outcomes that these learners need to, what they expect to have. And then you talk about employability and also being entrepreneur. So if it's AI, maybe you can discuss AI in terms of being employed and also being entrepreneur, what they expect so that they can feel motivated to plug in and there are actually opportunities.
Yeah. The program is segmented in different, within the 16 weeks, you get to upgrade yourself. Like, it's just like the way you go to school, but this is more practical.
Yes.
So we build on practical aspects.
Yeah.
And first it's just making you understand what are you getting into. You may be very excited to get in software, but we want to make sure that you understand that there's maths needed here. So
This is not so rosy. It's not just bring and keep it down and say,
no.
Yeah.
You have to understand their languages. You'll be like Python. It's not the same.
Yeah.
So there's Flutter.
Yeah.
So it's fast, making you understand the terms and everything.
Yeah.
And this coding,
Yes.
we also check where will I code from?
Yes.
It's not Word, so where do I even code? GitHub, how do you access?
Yeah.
We help them set up.
Yes.
It's just like a classroom has set up. And then now we go to the basics of software engineering.
Yes.
I will do them in role based. So we train you on becoming a web designer.
Okay.
So, or web developer.
Yeah.
A web developer.
Okay.
So in web development, you are able to develop website for other organizations.
Okay.
So that is one.
So in 16 weeks, I can just come in and start making money immediately.
Yes.
Oh. Okay.
So you become a web developer.
Yeah.
So, and there are other. The beauty of it now, AI, we have made sure that we incorporate AI in everything.
Yeah.
Because now people argue AI can build, but how can I, as a software, make that website better with AI?
Yeah.
Okay. And then you can be a mobile developer.
Yes.
So something can be website, but it has to be
an app.
So
we actually, the Uber, kind of Uber apps and the other apps.
Yes.
So you can be able to develop something.
Yes. So on Android and iOS.
Okay.
So we train both so that you can be able, before you'd have only Android developers and you'd have now to upskill to be an iOS developer.
Yeah.
So now it's combined. So Flutter makes you be able to both. You can build. So when you build, it is web. or devices.
Yeah.
You can be able to.
Web app.
Yes.
So it and the iOS.
Yes. So that one you are able. And then we have data and data management. So data analysis, you are able to analyze data. So data scientists, you are able to come when you are able to now. That's the job. Data analysis.
Yeah.
Data management.
So you can be employed in places like banks or somewhere they are data jobs.
As long as every organization has data, it's only that
here we have
and that data is money. Yes.
Yeah.
So how to consolidate all that data?
Yeah.
Those are the people we have.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So AI is not a standalone.
Yes.
It's coming to enable.
Okay.
It's coming to enable these people and these skills. Now we're also training people to be able to build AI agents.
Okay.
So those agents that can now be able, you have your personal agent, the organization has a agent.
Yeah.
So how do you build that? So if I want an agent, I would just ask a developer to do that for me, or how can I even myself as a developer do that? Okay. So there are opportunities to that.
Yes.
So when you go to the market, when you go to an organization, you have a tech department or you are looking to automate your business.
Yeah.
That is how now we look at and we ask you, what do you require? You may not at first know, but we look at what you have, the data you have, your kind of business, and we are able even to advise you. So this is, you just need to build a website, and that website has a marketplace. And that marketplace has a payment integration. So those are three. So we help you with developers that can build end-to-end. That is how now people will be paying online. People can now be able to purchase your services, either services or products online. So we are able to do that, and now we praise the developers on that.
Okay.
So for the people who want to go to entrepreneurship, it's
have the skill.
Yes.
Entrepreneurship has a lot of things. Capital, ideation, business management, business plans.
So the program being practical, we make sure that we train, when you come in, we tell you identify a problem. And the beauty of Africa, we have so many problems. Mashida ni mingi.
Mashida ni mingi.
So identify a problem in where you stay or what you want to solve. You have an interest. And that is what you are going to build on.
Okay.
So when you identify that problem, we are going to build on that up to the end, the solution. And tech is an enabler. So you have a problem, you know how to solve it. So we tell you, you are not solving it with tech. Like tech is not solving it for you.
Building it is not the solution.
No. How are you solving? I have people. Now what can I say? Which one?
An example.
Yes, I have one. Paid was one of our cohort entrepreneurs, and now they are already doing well. So they saw the need of freelancers accessing money when they are paid. You can only be paid with PayPal, or if you don't have an account, it will be held. So they saw the need of freelancers getting that money within the country or within Africa. So they built a platform that enables that. So you can be paid, you can have your wallet, and you are able to be paid, access your money via M-Pesa. Simple. So where you are, they're solving up to...
They saw the problem.
This
is their content.
Okay. So they build wallets, and then now you can be able to be paid easily. There's the other lady who has a school, Uber for kids, but school. So that is the problem she's solving. So
instead of waiting for school bus, just go and order.
So
and then the bus is there. Whoever is picking up picks up.
Like right now, the school, its main mandate is to teach kids.
Not to do.
Business transport is not their main agenda. Giving them technology. Right now, schools are it's only that now technology is being, but having a technology gadget is not, we have faster than that.
A person
Yes.
teach kwakuja, we teach them.
Yes.
Yeah, they pass exams.
They pass exam.
Yeah.
So this is a gap, and she saw that where can I have a trustworthy, where a parent, I don't have to take my kid to school in the morning and then traffic again. So identify drivers that that can take kids, and then now people are using her transport. But how do you enable that with technology so that you can be able to scale?
Okay.
So you have access, the school has access, so
everybody can just access it.
So it is an enabler for you to have a solution.
Okay. I want to ask another question.
Mm-hmm.
These are nice things for that young people should do. Young people now take yourself back to a 17-year-old. What did you do differently? You chose a course, a career. You decided this is the way. Now you have seen things in hindsight. Now you understand how things are. Now you're back to 17. What did you do?
I would do software engineering.
Software engineering.
Yes.
That's the first thing you do.
Actually, I would do such programs. Anyway, if I was 17, there were not these programs. But now I'm 17.
Yes.
I'll go scouting for these programs. They are being offered actually.
Yeah.
There are so many schools that are offering online.
Yes.
I don't need to go and ask my auntie who is living in the city so that I can come be accommodated. You see, there was so much logistics then. But now we have smartphones. Kids have access. My parents said even has a smartphone. So I can use that. I can use a computer. So I would really go for the programs that are being given in digital skilling, whether it is digital marketing, whether it is the software engineering, whether it is AI, the basic understanding. I would not waste time with consuming.
Yes.
So our time was Facebook. Now it is TikTok and so I would want to understand how can I build. So I see this advert, how are people creating those adverts? I hear
a lot curious. You'd be a lot.
I would be so curious. Because now hiring for employers, hiring with digital skills is becoming easier with technology. It's really becoming easy. So right now, actually, we don't need, the way you have to know someone in a certain company. People are posting jobs and you apply and you get. But you have to be digital because I have to go online and find these marketplaces that there are jobs. So even for us, when we are pricing, you have also to have an initiative. Yes. Okay. So I would actually look for free programs and do
plug in and do as much as possible. Now,
Now,
what if you are a parent of a 17-year-old right now and this tech thing is a bit too much? What the steps? Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. What are the 4 steps? As a parent who feels like this is not for us, this is not for our generation, but I want to support my child.
Okay. So I would first get to see what's the interest of my kid.
Yes.
Because with this generation, if you don't have an interest, they will not do. You will not force how you are. No. So if it's the interest of first understand your kid and their interest. If this person is asking you so many questions, and nowadays they are always on YouTube and access to information. So if you see they are interested, also get an interest to understand what is this. So I might be interested in Web3. But for me to have Web3 skills, I have to get the basic coding. So I have to start from somewhere. I might be interested in digital marketing, but I have to go and understand the basics of digital marketing. So it is also, as a parent, they have shown the interest. So it's also my duty as a parent to know who are these people who are offering. It is also your duty so that your kid is also feel like you are supporting them. Actually, you are part of the process and you are supporting them.
Yes.
You need to understand also the organization. There are paid programs. There are free programs. What are the impacts that they are making also? Also, it's also good for parents to see the views of this program.
Yes.
My kid will be telling me, I have a 1-year course. Well, there's someone who can, somewhere you can go for 16 weeks.
Yeah, and I'm upskilled. Yeah.
And you become, so it is also, where do they start?
Okay.
So the basics, and then if they're still interested, put them on another radar.
Now, I would like to ask now, I'm a parent and I've heard about PLP, I want to apply. Where do I go? And you see, you told us no manual stuff. See, ukuje barabaragani, TBD. Now, tell me where. Tupa posta. Dukula posta. Yeah. So where do I go to apply? Or where should I tell my child right now? Nimpigie simu. Umesikia? Ni free na register.
Okay, so we usually have our cohort open. And you can get our information from our website. It's powerlandprojectafrica.org.
Powerlandprojectafrica.org.
Yes.
Okay.
And on that website, we have different segments. You're able to see what we do and the impact. We have the academy. So that is where you go. So the academy, there are programs listed there. So we have our programs. You can start with the AI Safari, it's open. Register, you'll be taken to somewhere to register on our learning management system. And you're able to take. For Web3, if you are there and you want to upskill, it's still there. And for the main course, which is the 1 million devs, it is actually 1 million devs there. You can apply. That is a scholarship also. So you can apply. And you have to fill. Please complete. People don't complete
the forms. They want to get it, but they do not.
Yes.
The work.
Please complete the form, the whole process, so that you can be able to be taken.
Yes.
And our social media at PLP Africa. We have a community. Actually, you can join our community. We have a Telegram community, and we have Instagram and TikTok. Yes. We have, so you can be
Gen Z digital.
It's where they can access information. Because the problem is where accessing of information.
Yes.
So you can see most of the activities that we do there. And you can be able even to plug in. Even by the time you're coming, you understand
everything about the programming, how things go. Okay. Very good. You've had parents and also the young people. There is PLP. This is Powerland Project with a goal of educating more than 1 million devs. Means that you learn software engineering, software programming, anything around computer programming, AI, and all these things. There's a lot for you to gain from the website,
powerlandprojectafrica.org.
Go to this website, log in, or just browse through and see the 1 million devs, right? And then you can join the tech safari. Safari.
The AI Safari.
Yes. After going there, please wait in line for the next intake, because if you don't fill it now, you never know, you'll be locked out. So just fill it now and they will consider your application for the next intake. And it's a good job they're doing. And which countries are you in, by the way?
So we are in Kenya and Nigeria, but the course is anywhere you are, as strong as you're in Africa. You can be able to take.
You can access this from anywhere in Africa, and it's a free course if you qualify. So parents, there is no reason now whatsoever to say that your child cannot engage in a technical course, because PLP is here and they just want you to go and tell your child to apply for this course. As long as they are old.
As long as they're 18, because of the legal age of employment. And that's why we have the Talent Hub, where how you get employed, or you can start your own startup.
So as long as they're 18, within 16 weeks, if they finish the course and get the skill, they'll be able to be employable. and even be able to build their businesses based on the skills that they're able to get. There's so much to learn from them. So I suggest you go to their website, their social media, their communities on TikTok, Telegram, and you'll get more. Thank you. Thank you very much, Irene, for the insights. God bless you. I hope these people will come and see you, whether it's online or somewhere. And now they put, if they see Irene somewhere, they'll put the face to the name. And thank you for the good job you're doing to be connecting these guys who have these skills to the market and also preparing them for the market. I think it's also as critical as training them on the technical skills. So that is a very wonderful thing. For companies who want to get this staff to employ, I think you can also tell them where they need to go.
So thank you for inviting me and giving us this platform to speak to the parents because they're the ones who are supporting the kids.
Yes.
And thank you for the work that you're doing to make sure that the kids are now being molded in the digital space.
Yeah.
By the time you are taking them, they already understand.
We bring very sharp people.
Yes. So that is what
Elimutab is bringing to PLP at age 17. When they're 18, just go to PLP.
Just come and even before, even if they are now fully aware, there's mentorship.
Yes.
So there's mentorship and we offer that, and there are hackathons, we build solutions. They can come and just get to know what is this. What is this I chose? So I'll just feel their curiosity. And also for the partners who want to digitize their solution, to automate, to have people who are in digital skilling or understand more of the tech skills and also develop platforms. You can also reach us at plpafrica.org. There is at the homepage there is Talent Hub. In Talent Hub, you can see what we do. You can be able to hire talent from us. Just reach out to us. We are going to reach back to you and give you talent. So if you don't know where to start, we also have that capacity of making sure that you understand, you have the vision, but we put the vision on paper and the flow, and we build for you to have that software you require. So end-to-end management, we do that at Talent Hall. If you see me, I'm here. You can ask any question. Yes, and thank you so much for that. And we are happy to make sure that Africa has the right talent.
Good. So you've heard from Irene, you've heard from PLP. Thank you for watching the show. Let's continue raising geniuses one episode at a time. Asante sana.